The sheep were becoming noisier and noisier. "Please stop," groaned Murdoch. "I'd rather be back with the chatterbox engines." Just then, Toby chuffed into view. "Toby!" exclaimed Murdoch. "We're certainly glad to see you." Before long, the farmer and his dog went to work. And the sheep were soon safely back in their field. And Murdoch was on his way again. That evening, Murdoch parked between Harvey and Salty, but Murdoch spoke first. "I'm sorry that I was cross," he chuffed. "I'm very pleased to share a shed with you." "And we're pleased to have your company," said Harvey. "Aye, we are," added Salty. "It reminds me of a story." Murdoch smiled. The sound of bar, bar, bar would have kept him awake, but a Salty story would send him happily to sleep.